Students, today we will start lesson number 6, Help to All. Take out page number 46. We will start reading. There is a girl. Her name is Anu. She wants to become a police officer. So children, there is a girl and her name is Anu and she wants to become a police officer. Do you know who is a police officer? Yes, police officer maintains law and order by arresting criminals and prevent crimes in our society. She has a younger brother. He wishes to become a soldier. Now children, you will ask, who is a soldier? A soldier is a person who guards our country. Soldiers defend our country from enemies. So children, what would you like to become? You also want to become something in life. So you can see the picture over here. The first picture given is of a doctor. Do you know who is a doctor? When you are ill or sick, what does your parents do? They take you to the doctor because doctor cures our illness. Now look at the second picture. Second picture is of a police officer which Anu wants to become. And third picture is of a electrician. Electrician is a person who install and maintain electrical wire systems in our residential areas or homes. And the fourth picture is of a nurse. Nurse is a person who takes care of us when we are in hospital. And the fifth picture is of air hostess. Air hostess is a person who serves us, who helps us while traveling in a aeroplane. You can see the sixth picture. He is a postman. You know who is a postman? A postman is a person who brings letters to us. Now, the seventh picture is of a mechanic. When your car or two-wheeler is not working properly, your father takes it to a mechanic and a mechanic repairs it properly. Now look at the eighth picture. The eighth picture is of a soldier, which Anu's brother wants to become. Soldier guards our country. And last picture, you can see it is a picture of an artist. What does an artist do? In this picture, you can see this artist is a painter artist. So what they do? They make beautiful paintings. They create beautiful paintings with their creativity and talent. Now, we will move toward our next paragraph that is on the same page. Children's Day was celebrated in Anu's school. All the students had discussed about they wanted to become. Now children, do you know when is Children's Day celebrated? Yes, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November of every year. Okay children, you all know when it is celebrated. But do you know why it is celebrated? Yes, it is celebrated because it is a birthday of our former Prime Minister, our first Indian Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And do you know why it is celebrated? Because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much. Children used to call him Chacha Nehru. See the picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children used to call him Chacha Nehru. That is why his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day, because he loves children very much. Now, look at the next picture. By seeing this picture, you might have realized that what we are going to learn next in this chapter. Yes, we will be. Now, on page number 46, we learned that Anu wants to become a police officer and her younger brother wants to become a soldier. We also learned that 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day. It is a birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So, now take out page number 47. Now we will read Anu discussed in her school. We should decide what we would like to become. Here, Anu wants to become police officer. So she wants to know from everybody of her class that what all her classmates want to become. Her friends also spoke. Some want to become doctor, some want to become farmer, and some police officer. See children, everybody is having their own choices. Everybody wants to become some or the other thing. Around us, many people belong to various professions. Many professions are helping to us. You can see around you that there are teachers, doctors, postmen, conductor, driver, sweeper, nurse, policeman, carpenter, blacksmith, mason, and many more. All these are some professionals which help us in some or the other way. Our many needs are completed with the help of such professionals. These professionals who help us are known as our helpers, or you can say community helpers. Children, everybody wants to become something or the other of their choice. You also want to become something, है ना? You also should have some ambition in your life. You also think that I want to become this doctor or teacher, like that. And you should also have some ambition in your life to become something good in your life to achieve success. Now take out page number 48 and start reading with me. Yesterday was Saturday. Lina had gone to the market. Aruna was sick. She was admitted to the hospital. Lina reached the hospital. Dr. Ratan was examining her. Lina likes to serve all very much. Lina likes to become a doctor. So there is a story about a girl whose name is Lina. And when she had gone to the market, Aruna was sick and she was admitted to the hospital. As soon as Lina came to know that Aruna was sick, she went to hospital and she saw that Dr. Ratan was examining her. That means Dr. Ratan was doing treatment of Aruna because Aruna was sick. Children, do you know who is a doctor? I already told you, na? A doctor is a professional or a person who cures us, who treats us when we are sick. A doctor serves us when we are not well. So children, Lina also wants to serve us, everyone. That is why she wants to become a doctor. Today is Sunday. There was a meeting in village. Good pictures were shown in the meeting hall. Lina also likes to make such pictures. Lina also likes to become a painter. So children, there was a meeting in village. There was display of good pictures in the meeting hall. Here you see that Lina also likes to make pictures and she also wants to become a painter. So you can see here that Lina wants to become a doctor as well as painter. If Lina wants to serve the society, she can also become a teacher, lawyer, police officer or doctor, and even a painter. Painter because it is her interest for painting. Now we will learn about some helpers which help us. Children, see, she is a doctor. A doctor works in a hospital and whenever we are sick or hospitalized, doctor cures us. In hospital, only doctors cannot do all the work. So, nurses are there to help the doctors in curing the patients. Whenever we are hospitalized, nurses gives us medicine at regular time. They do dressing when we get hurt. So, nurses are also there in the hospital. Now, whenever you travel to aeroplane, do you see this person in aeroplane? Yes, she is air hostess. Air hostess helps us in aeroplane while traveling. She helps us whenever we are in need in plane. She serves us with snacks. She instructs us with important instructions given in the plane. And all the necessary instructions are given by air hostess in the plane. Now, see, who is this person? He is mechanic. Whenever your car is sick or it is not working properly, you go to a mechanic. Not only your car, but a mechanic repairs your cycle and your two-wheeler also. Mechanic repairs all the vehicles. Now, children, see the next picture. What is this? Yes, these are tools of mechanic. Who is this? He is a postman. A postman delivers parcels, letters, money orders, telegrams to us. Nowadays, technology has advanced and we have different modes of delivering our messages. For example, WhatsApp, emails, for money transfer we have net banking, Google Pay, Paytms. But earlier, these all were not available, so postman used to bring money orders to us and also letters to us. Now children, see, who is this? He is a carpenter. A carpenter makes furniture for us. Now this is a tailor. A tailor makes clothes for us and even he mends clothes for us. Now see the next picture. He is a sweeper. A sweeper keeps our city clean. He sweeps the road. He takes care of the cleanliness of our area. There are many helpers around us. But in this video, I have covered very few. Now see on page number 49. You can see some pictures and you have to color the picture you would like to become. So just color the circle given in the picture, whatever you like to become. There are pictures of soldiers, teacher, postman, police officer, doctor, whatever you like to become, you color in the circle. Now see on the same page, you can see some tools given and you have to find out by which professionals these tools are used. So see, the first one is given, you see, is the stethoscope, and it is the instrument or it is a tool used by doctors to check the patient. Now see the next picture, it is of a bag with the letters, and this is a bag of a postman who delivers to everyone. Now the third picture is of handcuff, and these are used by police officers while catching the thieves. They are tied to the thieves when they are caught. And see the fourth picture. The fourth picture is of a table, chair, and on the table there is duster and chalk. So who uses this? Yes, a teacher uses all these tools. Now see the fifth picture. It is of a broom. Broom is used by a sweeper. The sweeper sweeps all the roads in our area and keeps our area clean, so that there is no spread of diseases. Children, see the last one. It is a tool of mechanic. A mechanic repairs our vehicles with the help of this tool. I hope that you have understood about these all tools. Now take out page number 50. There is a puzzle given here. You have to match the tools with the helpers which are given in the pictures. The first one is police officer, and you will match this to handcuffs. The second one is, see children, teacher. Teacher is teaching the students. So we will match with the table and chair. And the third one is sweeper. So you will match the sweeper with broom. Fourth is nurse. So you will match the instrument box. In that injections and medicines are kept. And last one is of a doctor. So we will match it with the stethoscope. So this is the end of the chapter. I hope students now you know about our helpers.